This is 31st May 2025, the last day of the month, and I would like us to go through what people are saying today. As you can see, this is in the last few minutes update, or 3 minutes and such. So let's start with the statistics. On the market cap is 4.5 billion and the price is at 62 cents, which is at negative 7% in the last 7.5 the last 24 hours. Pi supply is at 11 billion and the total in the exchanges is 324 million pies. Okay, now let's move to X and see what people are saying. We can start with this guy here. Additionally, Pi Network employs AI to handle straightforward verification, reserving human validators for more complex cases. Yes, that is 13 seconds ago. We have Pi Network is really awesome. Okay, another guy is saying this is about one ROP pi is equal to 1 pi. Start to mine. And see, this is on Telegram. We can move to Lucas. No, that is not about pi. We are looking for ports only related to Pi Network. So somebody here is saying, sir, Pi Network is a revolution. The other one is, this is what real decentralization should look like. People first, innovation. Big respect to Pi Network team for making blockchain impact real, not just hype. Another language I cannot read for myself, you can read. You can pause the video and read this. Go to the moon, that is Imam 2025 Pi. Then we have HTX Troll Pi Network. So what I believe for me is that Pi will one time shoot to high prices. And read Pi Network KYC validation earn a share of 1 Pi per successful validations, with the exact amount depending on the number of validations involved in the process. If this happens, then I will be very rich because I have validated more than 3,000 pioneers. Yes. Another person, this is 15 minutes ago. Cannot read this, please read for yourself. And we have Chinese. Can stop there and we move to another person. We can move to Binance Square and read what they have posted for Pi Network, so that you can stand well guided throughout the process for investment on this cryptocurrency. Now we have Amna Kasi. This post is not related to Pi Network. So let me go down. Somebody has said, Happy Dragon Boat Festival. What going on? Musk responded that his son punched him in the face, which said that such a small child should not be able to lift such a big part. Yes. Dodge. Then we have Mohsin Raza. What if Elon Musk adopted Pi Network? It could be a major shift in digital payments. His new service, X Money, is set to launch in 2025, backed by Visa and has already secured licenses in multiple US states. Pi Network approach could fix Musk's vision to seamless, borderless transaction. If X Money is integrated Pi coin, millions of users might get new way to send and receive payment without relying on traditional banks. However, this is just speculations. Until Musk officially announces anything, it remains an interesting what-if scenario. You can see an image here of Elon Musk, Tesla owner Silicon Valley, breaking. Confirmed by Elon, X is launching X Money soon. Payment, banking, everything up just go even bigger. Can read. Another person is saying, gaming means Pi Network. Unlock the next era of engagement and utility. Gaming is not just entertainment. It's a powerful tool for community growth, engagement, and real-world utility. And now, the Pi Network is showing exactly how that works with the launch of new app, Fruit Pie. This game is more than just fun. It's smart showcase of Pi. Yes, I had also seen it somewhere. Somebody had said the same. And we also have a post from Pi Updates Daily. Can read the all of it here. Migration steps for Pi Network coin. You have to submit KYC. First, you verify your identity to unlock access. Complete the checklist. Secure your wallet. Lockup settings and more. Yes. Initiate transfer. Approve your Pi for Mainnet. Migrate to Mainnet. Get your Pi live and usable. Do you want to grow your profile social media account? This is through Pi apps. I cannot go deeper. Just want to read what exactly is on the headlines for Pi. So let me move to the other post on Binance Square. Agent 2FA required for second Pi migration. Pioneers, don't miss this critical step in your Mainnet checklist. Even if your item 9 is already green. Step 3. 2FA for Pi wallet is now mandatory for the second migration. You can view this. Follow these steps for quick guideline. Open your Mainnet checklist and go to step number 3. Enter your 24-word phrase securely. I think, guys, this is very crucial. Please listen to this. You cannot participate in the next migration if you are not verified to your wallet. And to verify your wallet, you have to go and paste the code, the 24-hour phrase on your number 3 on main checklist. And then after pressing that, it will automatically send an email to your inbox. You go open that email and click the link which says verify your migration wallet. Okay, let me read this again. Open your Mainnet checklist and go to step 3. Enter your passphrase. Open your email inbox. Find the message confirm your migration wallet. Click on verify your migration wallet. Go back to the Pi app and hit back. Step 3 should now be green. Yes, important reminder. Okay, what this guy also did not tell you is that if you are done with number 3, you are verified through that link into your inbox and it is green, you also have to check on number 6. If number 6 is not green, please sign the acknowledgement on number 6 so that you can be very safe awaiting the migration. Now, we can stop there for today and wait for the next video, which I will also give the current updates as from now up to that time and what the community is saying. So for now, I would like to beg to stop there. Feel welcome, subscribe, hit bell button and like the videos. If you have any question, please ask on the comment section and I will personally reply to you. Thank you and be blessed.